Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Donut Man 47 here. Today we're gonna be installing macOS on a donut. And just to clear up any confusion, I am not the same person as Bagel Man 47. He's a completely different person. So yeah, we're gonna be installing macOS on this donut. And you may be wondering, how the f*** you're gonna get macOS on this donut? Well, let me tell you. Very long ago, Apple released macOS X Donut Edition, and we're gonna be installing it on my favorite ever donut, this cream-filled donut. And you can see it's already leaking its delicious cream out. I'm gonna eat you later when you have macOS on you. Snap out of it. We gotta do this. We gotta put it on here. So let's get the disc inserted. There we go. No, that's not right. I don't think it goes there. I think it goes here. Oh, there we go. And then we gotta plug in our monitor and keyboard and mouse. Oh, don't you leave me, mouse. Get in there. Perfect. Let's turn on the computer. Now, I may not be knowledgeable on many things, such as the anatomy of frogs or how to breathe. But I do know donuts don't have very powerful processors, and this was released long ago, don't you forget. It's kind of ancient. Alright, let's get this installed. Select language. I wish I could select lingus. I want to lick the donut. I guess English will do. Continue. Important information. I can't read. Select a destination. Donut Tosh. Only 6 gigabytes. I hope there's enough room for donuts. There's always room for donuts. Get that cream in my mouth. Yummy. Install it. I don't have time to waste. Donut Man 47 doesn't have all day. I have important things to do, like eat donuts. Did you know that over 10 billion donuts are made in the US each year? And I eat 5 billion of them. Apparently there are 10 people living in America with the last name Doughnut or Donut. But I don't think that's funny. Identity theft is not a joke. There can only be one. Did you know that Voodoo Donut used to sell medicinal donuts? They were coated in NyQuil or Pepto-Bismol. Give me that NyQuil one. We're making donut lean today. Oh yes, the software was successfully installed. I don't even know how I know what that says. I can't read. Finally, cream-powered computer. Oh, here we go. Get to personalize my computer. First name, Donut. Last name, Donut. Address, Donut. Second line of address, Donut. Also, city, Donut. State. Where the f*** is Donut on this list? This is discrimination. I'll have you know we're real people. Close enough. DE for donut. Yeah. We primarily use this computer for looking up images of donuts. That's a home business, sure. What best describes what you do? I eat donuts. I'm Donut Man 47. Not to be confused with Bagel Man 47. We're different people. I swear to God, if I get any comparisons in the comments, I'll f***ing turn you into a donut. What describes what you do? Other. Yeah, that makes sense. Password, donut. Verify the password. Oh, password hint, donut. Continue. No, I don't have internet. My router's made of a donut. Continue. I'll set up iTools later. Whatever the f that is, I don't know. What the f are you connecting to? I didn't give you internet. Yeah, no sh. It could be processed. There's no f internet. Continue. What's my time zone? What's the most donut-looking place? Australia. Yep. I set the date and time. It's always donut time. No need. Continue. Oh, it's done. My glorious donut computer is ready for computing. What are we gonna do in here? I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look at pictures of hot donuts. Hot and ready. Yeah. Wait, this comes with Internet Explorer? What the hell? Yes, sure, make it my default browser. Security failure. I don't f***ing care. I'm looking for donuts. Donut.com. Nope. That doesn't work. It's preventing me from having my donuts. Google, please. Please, I need them. I need it. Oh, my browser isn't supported anymore. The f do you mean my browser's not supported? This is a top-of-the-line donut computer. Update my browser, my ass. Bing? I'll take anything at this point. F you. I'm gonna lose my goddamn mind. Apple and Google are keeping me from my donuts. I'll f***ing show them. I'll f***ing show them how to get donuts. All I wanted to do was set my background to donuts. And my brand new donut computer. Well, I'll make it my donut computer. I'll make it my damn donut computer. F you.